Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an event calendar to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to showcase upcoming events, workshops, or appointments directly on your website, making it easy for visitors to stay informed and engaged with your schedule. First, open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding with these steps. After logging in, look at the left side menu where you'll find various options. Click on Add New App to begin the process of integrating a new widget into your site. A search bar will appear, and here you'll want to type in Event Calendar and click on it when it shows up in the results. This will take you to the Event Calendar widget setup page. Now you'll see several template options displayed on your screen. Browse through these templates and choose one that best matches the style and layout of your website. Each template offers a different visual approach, so take a moment to consider which one will complement your site's design. Once you've made your selection, click Continue with this template to move forward. At this point, the system will present you with 3 different options for managing your events. You can choose Manage Events manually if you prefer to add events one by one directly through ElfSite. Alternatively, select Import from CSV if you have a spreadsheet with all your event details ready to upload. The third option is Connect to Google Calendar, which automatically syncs your Google Calendar events to your Squarespace site. Choose whichever method works best for your workflow and needs. Beyond selecting how you'll manage events, you'll also have the opportunity to customize your event calendar's appearance. You can adjust the layout to display events in list view, grid view, or other formats. The Filters option allows you to categorize events by type, date, or other criteria, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. You can also modify the style settings to match your website's color scheme and fonts, ensuring everything looks cohesive and professional. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Publish to finalize your calendar settings. After publishing, click the Close button to exit that screen. Now locate the 3 dots icon next to your calendar widget and click on it from the menu that appears. Select Embed Code, and then copy the code that's displayed. This code is what you'll use to place the calendar on your Squarespace site. Now switch over to your Squarespace website and click Edit to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the section where you want your event calendar to appear. Click Add Block to open the block menu, then scroll down and click Embed from the available options. This creates an embed block where you'll paste your calendar code. You'll see a pencil icon appear on the embed block, so click on it to open the editing options. From there, click Code Snippet followed by Embed Data. Now paste the code you copied from ElfSite into this field. Before finalizing everything, click Preview in Safe Mode to see how your calendar will look on your live site. This preview ensures that everything displays correctly and functions as expected. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good and the calendar is working properly, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click Exit to leave the editing mode and return to your live site view. Your event calendar is now successfully integrated into your Squarespace website, ready to keep your visitors informed about your upcoming events. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.